Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how this face halo works. So this is not the first impressions or a review. I'm just going to show you how this removes my makeup. And yeah, if you're curious to see how this works, then please keep watching. So they came in this black bag and you get 3 pieces, 3 face cloths. I think that's how they are called, and this retails for 20 euros and 25 cents. I got mine from beautybay.com, beautybay.uk. I don't know exactly. I'm going to link that down below. So yeah, 20 euros for 3 pieces of makeup remover. I think this is a very good investment. This will last you a very long time. This is super easy to use, you guys. This is for extra lazy people out there like me, including me. Okay, I'm super lazy. So you just wet this with water. You don't need any face cleanser, any makeup remover. So you just wet this, you squeeze this very well, and then you remove your makeup. I'm going to show you in a second, but you get 3 of them for 20 euros. So I think I'm going to read a little bit what it says on the back of this card. You get this card inside with the face halo cloths. So it says face halo works with either cold or warm water. The water loosens your makeup, allowing the halo touch fiber strands to reach deep into your pores to remove and trap the makeup. It's just clever and simple. No need to rub or scrub. Simply wet your face halo and gently wipe off your makeup. Well, I have to say that you have to rub a little bit, especially the eye area. If you're wearing mascara or black eyeliner, you have to rub just a tiny bit, very gently. You have to rub gently, if that makes sense. For heavier eye makeup, rehydrate your face halo well with water and hold it on the eyes or eyelashes for an extra 5 or 10 seconds. That helps a lot. Hand wash with soap and warm water after each use or between machine wash cycles. I use this for about 5 or 6 days now. I don't have any stains, which is very nice. And yeah, I'm going to put this to the test. Not to the test, I'm going to show you how this works basically. First I'm going to remove my eyelashes. So if you're curious to see how I achieved this makeup look, I use the Shayla X Colourpop collection. I'm going to link it right here, and I'm going to remove this. It's kind of sad because I do really like how this turned out. Anyway, I feel like I'm rambling too much and this video is supposed to be very short. So I do have here a bowl of water, and I don't know how to hold this and to show you how I wet my face halo, but it's pretty simple, right? So I'm going to hold it for 5 or 10 seconds, how it says, because I do have heavy eye makeup, as you can see. Well, and there goes all my work. So as you can see, I'm rubbing very gently my eye. Gently, very gently, I promise. And that's it. My eye makeup is gone. Next I'm going to wet this again and continue. Let's see how this removes my lipstick. Wow. I'm very impressed by this product. I think it's very innovative. Oh my god, so I just put this eyelash for my thumbnail. So even if I like to do my makeup, I don't like to remove it. It's like, after all of that work, now I have to remove it. Oh. So sometimes I'm just lazy like that. So this is super dirty and the water is as clear as it was in the beginning. So that means that the makeup stays inside and it doesn't go again on your face when you apply this again on your face. I don't know if that makes sense. So yeah guys, basically this is how it works. This is super dirty. Normally I like to wash this with soap and then finish the rest of my makeup, but since I'm here filming, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to keep going and keep going. So I just wet this again, and don't forget your hairline because that's where the most of the makeup hides. Well, in my case. Of course, after using this, you still have to wash your face with your cleanser to make sure that you remove everything. And look how dirty this is. I mean, here I have my entire face of makeup, and next I'm going to use a toner and see if there's anything left. I'm going to use a cotton pad, and let's see if there's any makeup left. I hope there's not. Okay, this is white, very clean. Something, but very, very little. Like, you can barely see it. So, alright, so next I'm going to wash my face with my cleanser, and also I'm going to wash this. I use Dove Original Bar Soap to wash this, and this came as white as the brand new one, and that's kind of crazy. So even if this is super dirty, when I wipe my face, the makeup doesn't came off again on my skin, I guess. I don't know how to explain that. So the makeup stays trapped inside of this until you wash it, and they recommend to use a bar of soap, or even you can throw this in your washing machine. And they say to not use a fabric softener because it may coat the fibers and reduce their effectiveness. So I do recommend you to wash this by hand because it's faster, easier. So yeah guys, this was my demo. I think I'm going to call it demo. I really hope this video was helpful to decide if you either want to get it or not, but I tell you, 20 euros is a very good investment, and this will last you a very long time. So yeah, let me know down below if you already have this product or if you're planning to get it. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué? ¿Qué? Can you hear my cat? She wants attention. What the heck I just did?